This project explores how fear and suspicion surrounding voyeurism are formed. The objective is to review how these feelings are produced, encouraging self-awareness and more conscious behavior. The installation used a simulated camera app along with projection mapping, sound, and light effect to create an embodied experience. Users are given a mobile phone with a camera interface and invited to explore the installation. As they scan QR codes and frame their shots, ordinary gestures may unintentionally appear suspicious. At the same time, projection mapping and sound respond to these actions, expressing the emotional escalation of someone who feels they are being secretly filming. Through this interaction, users become aware of how easily fear and suspicion can be triggered and how their own actions may be perceived by others.